Look no further for the ideal accommodation in Manchester than Ladybarn House, a harmonious blend of sophistication, refinement, and coziness. Nestled within this timeless residence are an array of exquisite studios, private apartments, and penthouses, meticulously designed to cater to the diverse needs of students. Each space is thoughtfully furnished, boasting a plush bed and a study nook, ensuring a sanctuary that feels like a true home away from home. Forge connections and unwind in the communal lounge, where residents can gather to enjoy shared entertainment on the communal TV. Practical amenities abound, from convenient on-site laundry facilities to secure bike storage, streamlining the day-to-day rhythm of student life. Seek solace amidst the lush tranquility of the garden, all while enjoying the added benefit of utility bills seamlessly integrated into the rent. Conveniently situated near the University of Manchester, Fallowfield Campus, and the University of Manchester, academic pursuits are effortlessly accessible. Venture beyond the doorstep to discover a vibrant culinary scene, offering everything from tantalizing noodles at Yo-Yo Noodle to savory delights at Grill House. For a caffeine fix or a cozy catch-up, Blue Cafe Manchester and Cafe Blah beckon just around the corner. With an array of transportation options close at hand, exploring the city has never been more convenient. Don't delay, seize the opportunity to secure your dream accommodation at Ladybarn House, Manchester today by visiting amberstudent.com.